Yo, we are starting off with earn by time today. Current rate is $17 an hour. And we just got our first order. We've got a Starbucks going just under 5 miles.
Just one bag. You can grab it.
Thank you. We got the next order. This is the human being going 5 miles.
Here's that DoorDash for Zachary.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Oh yeah, and the total for that first order was like $8 and change. Pretty good start. Total for that one ended up being $7 and change. And we got the next order, Seize the Bagel, going 4 miles.
Perfect. There you go.
Thank you. Total was $7 for that one, and we got the next order right away. McDonald's going 5 miles. There's the no tipper. There's always one. Total ended up being $5 for that one. A little bit of a wait getting to the next order, but we finally got one. This is Victorico's going 6 miles. For Joseph.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, you can drop it off right there.
Thank you. Hello, for Joseph.
Have a me.
There you are.
Have a great day.
You too, thank you. Total ended up being $9 for that one. Next up, we've got a Starbucks going 4.5 miles.
Thank you.
Is this for Kanisha?
Yes.
Thank you.
Total ended up being $5 there. It's the wrong place, isn't it? Hello?
I believe you dropped the Starbucks at the wrong order.
Yeah, I just realized that as I was backing out. Next order up, we've got a McDonald's going 2.5 miles.
Oh, there you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Parkour. Total was $6 for that one. Next up, we're going back to McDonald's. This order is $11 going 3.5 miles.
Is it Uber?
Yeah.
673?
Yep.
Here we go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, this is going all the way upstairs, isn't it? There you are.
Thank you.
Have a good
Do you
day.
need my code?
No, it should be good.
Oh, okay, cool. Thank you.
Have a good day. Oh, actually, yes, I do. You were right. Right now, have a good day. I thought she meant the gate code to get out, but she meant the pin. I didn't realize there was a pin on that. We've got to Seize the Bagel going 9 miles, and it's going across state borders, so might as well be 18 miles, because I gotta come all the way back. They're trying to give me a flower pickup. Yeah, actually. These are usually bad, but it's only adding an extra mile, and the drop-off is probably a few streets down from the other one, so this actually works out for me.
Welcome. Nikki B?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hello.
Who are you waiting?
I got a DoorDash for Tammy E.
Mickey P. Do you just have one?
Yeah, just the one.
There you go.
Thank you.
You have a great one.
You as well.
Is this red one? And then
Looks like someone else beat me here. There you are.
Thank you.
Got it. Total ended up being $16 and change for that stack. Currently stuck in a tunnel. I've been sitting here for like 5 minutes, so this was a very lovely decision taking these orders. That was so cringe. It took me like 20 minutes to even get back into my state, but at least we got the next order as soon as we crossed that line. We got Bed and Breakfast Burrito Company going 8 miles. Thank you. It says, please do not knock or ring bell. Reactive dog, Will Bork. Total was $14 and change for that one. I just realized that Uber from way back when, they tipped $17. So that order ended up being like $20. That is crazy. Thank you. Which, if my math is correct, would mean we are at 1:02 for the day. Current time is 11:06. Total, like I said, we are at 102. So that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.